Hi friends, this will be continuing with the last tutorial in which we had seen how to make our code C program, C or C++ program more maintainable and readable. For that, from a single file of 500 lines of code, we segregated the concerns like functions related to AVL tree were put in a separate file called avl.cpp, like in creating the node, inserting into the AVL tree, etc. And then we created one more file, word frequency.cpp, which will take care of the maintaining highest frequency word. And third one is the Nokia codewiz.cpp. That is nothing but main, which contains main function of the program. Let us quickly execute the program once again and see. It will help us to recollect what the program does. So we have input file, one is small input.txt and one is big, which is big.txt. So let us run once. So for before running, we will have to compile and then build. So let us do those steps. Let us compile all the files and build the executable. So for that, I need to first compile avl.c scpp. So it will create. Then we have second file, word frequency.cpp. Then third one is Nokia code.cpp. So if we see all the object, we can see all the object files created. Now we need to link them together to create executable. So these are the object files, and output executable file name will be Nokia code viz. So yeah, we are able to create the executable as well. So now let us run the executable Nokia code viz, and input file name is input.txt, and we want to find the highest. So I pass highest. So yeah, from this file we have got the output as expected. Similarly, for the big file, we will execute the program. It takes some time, but it's able to find the highest 20 words occurring in the file. So height of the BST is 17, total words is 20, total nodes in the BST is 29,133. So as we have seen, to build the executable, we had to individually compile all the CPP files, then link them all together to create executable. Here there were only 3 files, but in real life projects we will have hundreds of files. So that time it becomes the tedious process to individually compile and build. So there is a Linux provides a build system called Make, how to build object files and how to build a executable. It will automatically run those commands on our behalf, and it makes our life little bit easy. So I'll show a Makefile which I have written, compiling and building the Makefile which I have written. I'll just show you once the files are created how to clean them. Then we'll have to use remove star.o. It will remove all the object files and remove Nokia code with executable. It will remove the executable file. So we have a clean directory to build the project once again. So our aim is to automate building and cleaning of the project So let me show you the make file which I have written in building the project and cleaning the same. So we just have to write make. So this is the make file. It has rules for creating the executable, then cleaning the files. If I just write make, it will automatically build all the object files and executable. As we can see here, all the objects files and executable have been created. We just have to write make clean, and it will remove all the object files and executable. How did I write this make file? I used two links, basically tutorial, make file tutorial, which are very helpful. I will share the link of this in the description below. One is this a simple makefile tutorial. They have given really nice explanation how to write makefile for C programs. Similarly, I used one more. It's a soft prayog, and here the video explanation has been very excellent for makefiles. Now let's go back to our makefile and see how our program is getting compiled, built and executed. This rule basically tells to create object files, and the dependencies for the same are .cpp and header files, and these variables defined here. These are the dependencies, these are the object file variable. So this tells the dependencies, and to compile them we use this command. So this is nothing but g++ minus c minus o. Minus c is for compilation, minus o is for output file name. It is $@, which is left side of the rule. So here it will be avl.o, and the right side will be avl.cpp. So this command becomes g++ -c -o avl.o avl.cpp, which is what is required. And similarly, it will be, this command will be executed for all the files, frequency.cpp and Nokia codebase.cpp. And once object files have been built, then to build the executable, the rule is it depends upon all the object files, and this object variable is nothing but our object files, all the object files together. And the rule to command to build this executable is g++, and this predefined variable tells right side of the dependency, which is nothing but all the object files together, and -o, that is output file name, is nothing but $@, which is predefined variable, meaning left side of the colon, that is Nokia codebase. And this command is nothing but this one which we see here, g++, all the object files, then output file -o, nothing but Nokia codebase. Delete all the object files and executable. We have to write one target, that is nothing but clean target name, and the commands to be executed under clean are remove all the object files and remove Nokia codebase file executable. Let us once again build the project and then clean it, just to refresh, just to see once again how the make works. As we see, currently there are no object files. So let me build the project. It is building all the object files. Now it will build executable, and we can clean it with the make clean. It will delete all the object. Okay, let me first see all the object files. Yeah, it's present, and executable as well, it's present. And now let me run the clean command, make clean, and if you see now, these are object files and executable have been deleted. That's how we can reduce our effort to build a project and clean and rebuild. Because whenever we want to do changes in the project, these are the steps which are required frequently. In this, make file helps us a lot. Thank you. And in the next tutorial, I would like to segregate all the. I'll like to create directory structure and keep all the source files in one directory, all the header files in other directory, like that, and build Makefile accordingly. Yeah. Thanks. Bye.